6 amazing easy remedies for glowing skin. Are you tired of spending a fortune on skincare products that promise glowing skin but deliver lackluster results? Look no further. In this video, we bring you 6 amazing DIY easy remedies for achieving that coveted radiant complexion without breaking the bank. From pantry staples to natural ingredients found in your backyard, these simple yet effective solutions will revolutionize your skincare routine and leave you with a luminous glow that rivals even the most expensive beauty treatments. Say goodbye to dull and tired skin as we unveil the secrets to unlocking your skin's natural radiance using readily available ingredients. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, these DIY remedies cater to all skin types and are guaranteed to transform your complexion. Get ready to be amazed by the power of nature as we guide you through an array of surprising tips and tricks that will have you glowing from within in no time. Indulging in the luxurious combination of honey and lemon for a brightening and hydrating facial treatment is like giving your skin a refreshing sip of nature's goodness. The natural enzymes in honey gently exfoliate dead skin cells, unveiling a radiant complexion, while its antibacterial properties work wonders on acne-prone skin. Lemon, with its high vitamin C content, helps to boost collagen production, further enhancing skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Together, these powerhouse ingredients form a dynamic duo that not only revitalizes the skin but also imparts a luminous glow that radiates from within. The soothing sensation of this mask provides instant hydration and nourishment to parched skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Incorporating this simple yet effective DIY remedy into your skincare routine can be an invigorating experience that pampers your skin and elevates your self-care regimen to new heights. Imagine a golden-hued powder that not only exfoliates your skin gently but also reduces inflammation and brings out your natural glow. Turmeric Face Scrub does just that, acting as a superhero in your skincare routine. Its anti-inflammatory properties help calm irritated skin and combat acne, while the exfoliating particles work to slough off dead skin cells and reveal fresher, brighter skin underneath. What sets Turmeric Face Scrub apart is its versatility. It suits all skin types and can be easily customized to address different concerns. Whether you have oily, dry, or sensitive skin, this DIY remedy offers a gentle yet effective way to achieve radiant results. Additionally, the antioxidant-rich nature of turmeric helps to protect the skin from environmental damage and promote overall skin health. So why not harness the power of this ancient spice for a glowing complexion that radiates health and vitality? Aloe vera gel, often dubbed as nature's miracle plant, has been used for centuries to alleviate skin issues and promote a healthy glow. The popularity of aloe vera gel masks stems from their ability to soothe and nourish the skin while providing a refreshing experience. This unique plant powerhouse is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders in hydrating the skin and reducing inflammation. When it comes to DIY skincare remedies, incorporating an aloe vera gel mask into your routine can significantly enhance your complexion. The cooling sensation of the gel helps to calm irritated skin and reduce redness, making it ideal for those with sensitive or sunburned skin. Additionally, the natural enzymes present in aloe vera aid in gently exfoliating dead skin cells, allowing for better absorption of nutrients and promoting overall skin renewal. Incorporating this simple yet effective remedy into your skincare regimen can help you achieve that coveted radiant and glowing complexion effortlessly. Coconut oil has gained immense popularity as a versatile skincare product due to its ability to deeply hydrate and protect the skin barrier. Its natural emollient properties make it an excellent moisturizer that locks in moisture, leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. What sets coconut oil apart is its composition of medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid, which possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. Furthermore, coconut oil acts as a protective barrier, shielding the skin from environmental damage and preventing water loss. This makes it especially beneficial for individuals with dry or sensitive skin, as it enhances the skin's ability to retain moisture and maintain balance. Incorporating coconut oil into your skincare routine can promote overall skin health by nourishing and strengthening the skin barrier against external aggressors. The soothing properties of green tea extend beyond a comforting beverage to an effective skincare ingredient. Green tea toner, when incorporated into your daily routine, can work wonders in reducing redness and improving complexion. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, green tea helps calm irritated skin and unclog pores, resulting in a more even skin tone. A DIY green tea toner is simple to make by steeping green tea bags in hot water and allowing it to cool before applying it to the skin using a cotton pad. The natural astringent properties of green tea help tighten pores, giving your skin a smoother appearance. Regular use of this toner can also help control excess oil production, making it suitable for all skin types seeking a balanced complexion. In addition to its cosmetic benefits, the gentle nature of green tea makes it an excellent choice for sensitive skin that is prone to redness or inflammation. By incorporating this natural remedy into your skincare regimen, you can enjoy noticeable improvements in skin texture while indulging in the calming effects of this ancient plant-based treatment. Incorporating these DIY remedies for radiant skin can truly revolutionize your skincare routine. By utilizing natural ingredients and simple at-home techniques, you have the power to enhance your skin's glow and overall health. These remedies offer a personalized approach to skincare, allowing you to cater to your skin's unique needs and preferences. Experimenting with DIY skincare not only benefits your skin but also fosters a deeper connection with yourself as you actively engage in self-care practices. Embracing these homemade solutions can be both empowering and rejuvenating, giving you the satisfaction of taking control of your beauty regimen. So why not embark on this journey towards luminous skin by trying out these easy-to-follow recipes? Your skin will thank you for the nourishment it receives from these natural remedies, leaving you with a vibrant complexion that radiates beauty from within.